Welcome back. It's art time class. Yay! Hi! Yay! You say hi?
Hi.
Hi, this is my helper. This is my super helper. He's 2 years old. I love him so much. And today we're going to talk to you about some coloring. He's going to try to color inside a square. Now, he's only 2. Let's go ahead and check out his area here on his paper. Here's his first attempt on trying to color inside of a square. As you can see, as a 2-year-old, he's not very good at it. Here he is trying to trace his hand. It's not very good at it. Oh my gosh, so adorable. So when we're coloring inside the square, honey, what we're going to do is we're going to color around the outside edge. Okay. Yeah, just like that. Wonderful. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And when we're coloring, we're going to color around that edge. And we'll color on the inside. And there's several ways of coloring. That's the basic. Coloring around the edge and then coloring in on the inside. When you get really good at it, people can stop and start on the edge really well. Like right here, I'm going down. I would also need to go back and fill in the edge. That's once you get good at that way. There's other ways to color. You want to color in another shape with me? Yeah? Okay. Let's see. You want to do a triangle? A triangle has 3 sides. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A triangle. Yeah? Can you say 1? Can you say 2? Can you say 3? Oh my gosh, good job! Good job! Alright, so another way to color is to color with direction. And that's, instead of just filling in the color, you're trying to create like a texture. So let's say I could color curve. Say I'm coloring like fire. So I'm going to color curve. Because fire doesn't go straight up and down. It kind of curves though. Nice. And I might even change color. So I'm adding different colors to each other. Good job, sweetie. So I'm coloring with a bunch of curved lines. It helps it look more fiery when I'm finished. I'm also doing more than one color. Some materials do really well when you mix colors, like crayons, color pencils. Some markers, not most though, markers tend to be really good for bright spots and color detail. Crayons are better for blending color. Oh, thank you, sweetie. I love that. They're super helpful. Very nice. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, guys. Thanks so much for joining us. We really enjoyed having you here. Be sure to keep being creative. Can you say bye? Hey, sweetie. Yeah. Can you say bye?
Yeah.
Say bye.